Picture this scenario. I guarantee at least half of you watching have lived some version of it. You're at the pharmacy for a prescription you need, not want. It rings up $127. Your deductible is $3,000, barely touched in February. Bank app shows $94 until payday in 6 days. You walk out empty-handed. 3 weeks later, that minor infection explodes. Urgent care, $200. Stronger meds, $85. Missed 2 work days, $240 lost wages. One skipped $127 payment spirals to $525 plus in costs, plus pain, stress, and lost time. This isn't bad luck or poor planning. It's a built-in poverty trap, a mathematical penalty for simply not having enough cash up front. And I obsess over the hidden mechanics of money and why the system stacks the deck against those who need a fair shot most. If you ever feel like one setback wipes out months of progress, or the harder you grind, the less ground you gain, hit subscribe and like if this hits home. Today, no crypto hype, no stock tips, no side hustle fluff. We're exposing the poverty tax, the invisible automatic surcharge added to your life just because you don't have enough money. The brutal truth most finance gurus dodge: the economy doesn't just overlook poor people, it actively punishes them. A hidden tax so it hits every transaction, every necessity when you're broke. It never appears on receipts. It's invisible, baked in, and drains you constantly. Standard advice blames discipline and bad choices. Skip lattes, code your way out. But that ignores the math. Being poor is literally, provably, expensively more costly. Until you see how this poverty tax operates, you'll keep paying it blindly. Economics talks about the liquidity premium. Cash on hand unlocks better deals, lower rates, favorable terms. The flip side, the liquidity penalty, is what they skip. No cash reserves. You pay an invisible surcharge on everything. Quick example, Sarah and Mike both need $600 tires. Sarah has savings, pays cash, grabs a 15% promo discount, $510 total. Problem solved. Mike's paycheck to paycheck, $180 in the bank. Finances at 18% interest, $50 per month. For 15 months equals $750 total. Same tires. Mike pays $240 more, nearly 50% extra, solely because he lacked $600 liquid right then. That's the liquidity penalty. That's the poverty tax in action. It repeats across every broke financial move. Think one tire's story is extreme? Watch the pattern emerge. It'll make you furious. Annual prepay, carrier's discount. $60 per month, plan arrow, $600 upfront drops to $540, 2 months free. Broke? Month to month only. Full $720 per year, $180 extra penalty for the exact same service. System charges more because you can't pay less. Maintain $1,500 minimum. Many banks waive the $12 to $15 monthly fee. Balance dips below. You get charged $144 to $180 per year. Logic? Not enough money? We'll take more. Rich get interest or zero fees. Poor pay to exist. Diapers. Costco bulk, approximately $40, equals 18 cents per diaper. Corner store small pack, $8, equals 40 cents per diaper, double plus. Yearly, bulk buyer spends approximately $350, small pack buyer approximately $800, $450 extra for identical product. Same for toilet paper, detergent, food. Poverty tax compounds on basics. Credit score tracks past money access and dictates future costs. $15,000 used car loan, excellent credit, approximately 6 to 7% rate to approximately $2,400 to $2,800 interest over 5 years. Total approximately $17,400 to $17,800. Bad credit, often from being broke. Subprime approximately 15 to 22%. Deep subprime averages 15.85% new, 21.6% used in late 2025 data, yields more than $9,000 interest, total $24,000 plus. $6,000 to $7,000 extra for the same car, penalty for past poverty, house mortgage $1,400 per month, but needs $30,000 down plus good credit. No down payment, rent same place, $1,900 per month, $500 extra per month equals $6,000 per year. Over 10 years, $60,000 more, zero equity versus homeowner's appreciating asset. Homeowner pays less monthly and builds wealth. You pay more monthly and build nothing. Utility companies, credit cards, subscriptions, all same model. Pay on time? Fine. One day late because you're juggling bills? Credit card, late fee averages $30 to $32. Some still hit $41 in 2025 to 2026. Juggling 5 bills, short 1 month, late on the card, $35 fee. Raises balance, raises next minimum. Yearly late fees, $300 to $500. Wealthy never pay them, they have liquidity. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Just manage better, don't be late, save up, make better choices. Personal responsibility matters, but that argument is incomplete and honestly cruel. Cognitive load, mental effort at any moment, max it out decision-making tanks. Financial stress creates massive cognitive load. Studies show poverty stress reduces effective IQ by about 13 points, equivalent to losing a full night's sleep. Brain consumed with survival threats, card decline, power shut-off, long-term planning becomes nearly impossible. Just save money really means use mental bandwidth. You don't have to execute a plan that needs resources you also don't have, like telling a drowning person to swim better. Wealthy aren't smarter or more disciplined. They have mental space because they're not fighting constant fires. Poverty tax isn't just financial, it's cognitive, emotional, steals time, energy, planning ability, hope. If you have washer/dryer at home, laundry takes approximately 10 minutes active time. Laundromat, 2 to 3 hours, pack, travel, wait, guard stuff, haul back. 3 hours of life lost every week. Time worth $15 per hour, $45 per week, lost value, $2,340 per year. Worse, those hours could be side gig, studying, job apps, family time. Poverty costs money and time, the one resource you can't recover. Wealthy buy time back. Poor spend time to save pennies. If you're angry right now, good, you should be. The system is built to keep you stuck. First step out. See the game. Understanding isn't accepting. You can't erase every penalty, but you can dismantle the worst ones strategically. Goal isn't instant riches. Goal is stop the bleeding so you can breathe. Step 1. Identify your biggest leak. Audit where poverty tax hits hardest. Overdraft, late fees, small quantity buys, high interest debt, payday loans. Pick the single biggest. Don't fix everything. Focus on the costliest. Step 2. Build a $500 buffer, not $10,000. $500. Why $500? It's the threshold where most penalties vanish. With $500, pay phone bill on time, fix small car issue early, buy bulk instead of corner store. $500 isn't savings, it's a weapon that breaks the penalty zone. Getting there sucks. Sell stuff, extra hours / non-essentials, 60 days. Brutal but temporary. Once you have it, you keep more of every dollar. Step 3. Attack high interest debt like it's on fire. Credit card at 20% plus. Paying it off equals guaranteed 20% plus return. Beats any stock or side hustle. Every dollar toward high interest debt stops working against you and starts working for you. Step 4. Buy quality once, not garbage repeatedly. Hard when cash is tight, but save for $80 boots instead of $20 ones that die in 3 months. $80 hurts now, but $20 times 4 per year times 5 years equals $400. Hurts worse. Buying quality isn't spending more, it's refusing the poverty tax. Step 5. Use anger as fuel. Every late fee, every bulk miss, every upfront surcharge, get angry. Not sad, not ashamed, angry. Anger fuels fight. Anger fuels strategy. Channel it. You're not bad with money. The system exploits you. Win by refusing their rules. I'm not saying it's easy. It's not. Climbing from $0 to $10,000 takes 10 times the effort of $10,000 to $100,000. But it's possible. Thousands escape the poverty tax yearly. Not luck, not lottery, but understanding the game and playing differently. Stop late fees, build the buffer, buy lasting boots, dollar by dollar, stop funding the bleed and start building what's yours. If this shifted how you see your finances, share it with someone trapped in the same cycle. We don't talk about this enough. The more who understand, the harder it is to exploit us. Subscribe. We'll keep dismantling systems designed to keep you broke until everyone knows how to fight back. Thanks for watching. Now go audit your biggest leak and plan your escape. I'll see you in the next one.